Top 10 Online Jobs for Beginners. We live in a wonderful time where you can get an accredited university degree from home and make a living by doing what you love online. Finding a job you can do on the internet will give you great flexibility and enable you to make a few extra bucks. From building brand awareness for a company to creating websites that drive visitors, the following online jobs are not always easy to get, but once you find your way, you'll be able to build long-term skills that you can turn into a career or a business. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button, like the video, and hit the bell icon for timely updates and instant video notifications. So without further delay, let's get started with the first in our list if you're up for the challenge. Number 10. Online Tutor. If you're doing well in college, it's easy to think everyone else is too, but the truth is that many people struggle with passing their courses. You could make a living by helping them and teaching them what you know. But don't stop with fellow college students. You can also teach kids from elementary to high school, and plenty of kids could use your help. You can be more than just your local geographic area with the internet. You can teach kids and people from all over the world. Number 9. Social Media Manager. We all spend a lot of time on social media daily. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and the list. If you're used to getting a lot of likes or comments, or are great at motivating others through your posts, consider turning this into a profession. Social media managers build communities for companies on social media. Engage these communities in conversations, for example, getting a lot of comments, and encourage them to take action, like reading a blog post, signing up for an email list, or buying a product. Social media managers also play a vital role in building brand awareness for a company. Number 8. Freelance Web Designer. Like freelance writers, freelance web designers need to market their services to make a sustainable living. Websites that supposedly do the marketing work for you often come with a high price, as you'll be expected to work for very cheap and might end up losing money on the deals you take. To stand out of the crowd when they market themselves directly to prospective customers, freelance web designers need to prove more than their ability to design beautiful websites. While companies care about image, they often care more about results. Therefore, well-fed freelance web designers often understand what works in user experience and CRO, conversion rate optimization. They learn how to create websites that drive visitors to download something or buy a product. Number 7. Freelance Writer. Social media managers promote content that builds relationships and promotes sales for companies. Freelance writers write the content. There's a huge need for writers now, as more and more companies want to build long-term trust with their target audiences, and they do that by providing top-quality content. Great freelance writers stay up to date on marketing trends and research, and know which content types work best when. They're skilled at conveying complicated ideas and know how to do it in a way that best converts into a particular content format. Well-fed freelance writers stay out of content farms and bidding sites where you compete with hundreds of other writers for the same projects and get the gig if you underquote yourself enough. To be a well-fed freelance writer, you need to go out there and market yourself to your target audience, usually marketing managers like any other business owner. Number 6. Resume Writer. Writing resumes may seem simple, but most people often find it hard to talk themselves up. If you've had success getting a lot of interest from great companies based on your resume, offer your services to others. You can help them ensure their resumes shine a light on their accomplishments and the value they have to provide companies in a way that speaks to recruiters. Similarly, you can offer LinkedIn profile writing services, as many recruiters look for potential employees on this professional social network. Number 5. Search Engine Evaluator. Search engines like Google and Bing rely on user feedback to update their algorithms in ways that serve people better. You could be one of the people who fill out feedback forms and let them know what they need to do to improve. Number 4. Transcriptionist. Transcriptionists are required to listen to audio recordings and write them down. The key here is to be extremely accurate, so you need great attention to detail. This job also requires you to type fast. It works in your favor. The faster you type, the more you earn per hour. Number 3. Micro-Freelancing at Fiverr. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for digital services, where you can offer almost anything, from graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, advertising, business, fun, and lifestyle. This is a place to make money out of your creativity and profession. Number 2. Virtual Recruiter. Recruiters post jobs online and look for potential employees on LinkedIn. They read LinkedIn profiles they find and resumes that get sent to them and decide who could be a good candidate. They often conduct the initial phone interview, then pass the best to the company's relevant manager to continue the screening process. Recruiters used to only work offline, but things have changed, and now you can do this job from home. Number 1. Become an online influencer. Do you have a hobby, a passion, or an interesting life? Are you knowledgeable about something that many people struggle with? If so, start a blog, a podcast, a vlog, or be active on one of the major social media networks. Sometimes it could take years to build a big enough, engaged enough audience, but if you're already used to sharing with people online and have an audience that trusts you, it might be worth treating it as a business. As your audience grows, you'll be able to sell them services like coaching or consulting and products. Still, you'll also be able to make a living by recommending other people's products and getting sponsorship or commission in return. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully one of the ideas in this video works for you. Also, if there are any legit ways to make money online that you know about, let us know in the comments below, as it will be very helpful to others, especially college students. Remember to leave us a like, hit the bell button, and share with others who may enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.